The Senate hearing on sexual harassment in the media industry continues. The session on Thursday, though, turned into a lecture on sexual consent. This as Senator Robin Padilla asked if a husband could compel his wife to have sex with him even if she does not want to. Lawyer Lorna Kapunan, a women's and children's rights advocate, made it clear that no means no, even in the context of marriage. Kapunan suggested to Padilla to just seek counseling, pray, or even watch Netflix to appease his urge.
Well, with all the content on Netflix, I don't think Netflix will ease your urge. Hindi, pero alam mo, common sense naman, di ba? Kung ayaw, ayaw. Ganun ko simple.
No means no.
No, I don't even know.
Even sa family code nakalagay.
I don't even know bakit naging topic to when we're talking about yung cases ni Sandro. I don't know ano yung relevance.
Hindi ko rin ang napanood ko na lang bigla pag kita ko sa social media yung parang mga memes na about kay Senator Robin Padilla na yun nga yung
I guess si Senator Robin pinupunto lang niya siguro yung maybe he's thinking of crafting a law that will address all these problems that are happening in the context of family, those not in the family, para ma-define na talaga what you mean. Pero although sabi naman ni Attorney Kapunan, meron naman daw nakalagay sa batas.
Oo, di ba no means no. Kaya nga nakakaloka yung mga tao nakita ko lang sa social media.
But sometimes, no means no.
Yeah. Most of the time,
may debate, may debate kasi ano daw, mga babae gusto lang daw malambing. Pag no, bigyan mo daw ng candy, chocolates hanggang mag-yes.
No.
O, see? No?
No. Ano yung sabi mo?
Bigyan kita ng pera ngayon.
No?
Game. No to yes. De, pero ano lang yan, we're just lightening up the mood.
Pero yeah, on the serious side naman
on the serious side,
no.
And also, don't watch Netflix to appease your urge because it does not work.
Okay.
Yun ang nasasabi.
Hindi, kasi di ba may mga ibang mga asawa sinasabi nila, porque asawa mo ko, responsibilidad mo, obligasyon mo, ganyan.
Alam mo, kung ganyan, ikaw
ikaw
ganang klaseng lalaki din, parang napakawalang kwenta naman. I mean, di ba? If you want some intimacy, kailangan reciprocated ang action, di ba?
Yes.
Kung ikaw ginaganahan na walang reciprocity, eh wala.